Dear friends, we are now on the fourth Sunday of Easter. One of my favorite psalms is Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want. Jesus revealed himself as the Good Shepherd, and there are two distinctive ways in order to perceive the Good Shepherd, who is willing to lay his life for his sheep, and hired one to tend the sheep. It's a type of shepherd that do not totally devote himself and cares nothing to his sheep. If the wolf or problems arise, this type of shepherd will just run away and think for his own safety. My dear friends, we are called to be shepherds to one another as baptized Christians, and we have something to contribute and participate in the church to give encouragement, to inspire, and be a model of humility and service. In Genesis chapter 4, verses 1 to 13, God's message is very profound that we are to be our brothers and sisters' keeper, demonstrated by our actions and decisions. We have a greater responsibility to one another, and in living out the scriptures, it's the huge invitation for all of us for reformation of our paradigm and notion of I. Instead, we are invited to think that we or us. Many of us have perhaps thought of ministry as a profession, but ministry is not a profession. It is a vocation, a call. We have been called by God into service. The ministry is not about ourselves, but about the people we serve. When we perceive ministry as a profession, then we only care about ourselves, our success, our career, our achievements, our retirement, or our hobby, not necessarily about the people we serve. Therefore, it's a shallow way of shepherding. John chapter 10, verse 13, if those who do not care for the sheep, like not even thinking other people's situation, rather focusing on the self, it's evidently that they are not the good shepherd, but they are just the hired hands. But when we understand ministry as a vocation, then we will care for others to the point of giving our lives for them. My dear friends, as we serve in our respective parishes and communities, we need to be humble enough, courageous, prophetic in building up a pure and good relationship among the people you minister with. Jesus showed and proved to us on how to be a good shepherd by knowing us and calling us by name as his own flock, and by sacrificing himself to save us. Amen.